Hello. In this lecture, we'll learn how to install R and RStudio on our computer. In case you did that already, you may skip this lecture. To install the R program, you must go to this website, r-project.org. You notice here this title, Download. So to go to the download page, you have to click this link CRAN. CRAN stands for Comprehensive R Archive Network. Here on this page you had a lot of mirrors to install your program. You can pick any country you wish. For example, let's pick the United States. And from the United States, let's pick the mirror from University of Berkeley, California. So let's click this link. Okay. You notice here you have three links, three options, R for Linux, R for Mac, and R for Windows. I assume that you have Windows, like I do. So I will click this link. And if you want to install R for the first time, you have to click this link, Base. Okay. And finally, on this page, you have this big link here, download R 3.4.0 for Windows. So this is the last version. Now everything is very simple. You just click this link, and when you click it, the installer, which is an exe file, will be downloaded on your hard disk in the folder you choose. After downloading the installing kit, you have to double click it and the program will be installed on your computer. So just like you install any program, any software in Windows. When the R program is successfully installed, you should see on your desktop the icon of the program, this big R, this blue capital R. Let's double click it. This is the R interface. However, in our course, we are not going to use this interface. We are not going to use the R program directly. We'll use a software called RStudio, which is a graphical user interface for R. It is much more friendly, much easier to use. So let's see how to install RStudio on our computer. Don't worry, it's free, just like R. Okay. In order to install RStudio, you have to go to this website, rstudio.com. Go to the Products menu and choose RStudio. Okay. And here you have to click this button, Download RStudio Desktop. So the RStudio program comes in 4 versions. The RStudio Desktop, which is free. The RStudio Desktop Open Source, which is free. The RStudio Desktop Commercial License, which is very costly, about $1,000 per year. The RStudio server, open source, which is again free, and the RStudio Server Pro, which is very, very costly, very, very pricey, about $10,000 per year. I suppose you want to install the RStudio Desktop open source. So you have to press this button, Download. And here you have a list of links for the installers. So you can choose Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, Fedora, or any other platform you use. If you use Windows, like me, you have to press this link and the installing kit for the RStudio will be downloaded on your hard disk. And after that, again, you double click the installing kit and the program will be installed on your computer. And when the RStudio is successfully installed, you can see the RStudio icon here on the desktop is an R in a circle here. And you can also see it here in your task menu, in your start menu, sorry. Okay, so let's double click this icon to open the RStudio program. This is the program we are going to use all along this course. So this is the RStudio interface. In the next lecture, we are going to examine it closely. Thank you.